Let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange. Qualcomm looks like it's up like $15 pre-market,
Yeah.
Jim. What this chip maker, what's the deal?
Well, first they had no, it was a blowout quarter. They had no chip shortages. They are just killing it with Android. The company itself, I think, is in the driver's seat more than almost every other semiconductor right now because they have both Apple and they have Android. They also have a lot of Chinese phone companies. They're in everybody. And they're also moving in aggressively to IoT and auto. This is a company that is very, very smart that the street just got completely wrong. I think up 15 is not nearly enough, frankly.
Really? So who's like Qualcomm and who's the anti-Qualcomm in as far as chips go? Can we tell?
Well, like Qualcomm, but not in high performance computing is AMD, and then of course the sainted NVIDIA is my favorite stock. And then the guys who are Skyworks, but Skyworks people think losing share to Qualcomm. Not sure about that. Qorvo, but people think Qorvo losing share to Qualcomm. So we got some downgrades, Qorvo. But Qualcomm is really a remarkable company. It plays hardball against everybody and tends to win, even though they are some of the nicest people I've ever met in the business.
Well,
that's why I'm thrilled to have Cristiano coming on. Everyone calls him Cristiano. I don't know anyone calls him by his last name. He's like, sure.
Someday we got to have a conversation about, Taiwan and China. And Mark Mobius, I asked him, he says, I'm loaded up on Taiwan. And I'm like, are you sure that's okay? He goes, yeah, we're watching, but who knows, right?
Well, he's got, likes flyovers. He likes the maneuvers that the PRC is doing in the couple of islands nearby.
I mean, it matters.
I'm not as high on that.
It matters. We may need to build a few foundries, I think. Thanks, Jim.
Well, he's an optimist. He's an optimist. Jane Goodall says optimists, watch out, they can become pessimists.